Okay. So this is how usually you represent series. When you're adding up a bunch of stuff, you don't want to constantly be writing out this long list. It could be a lot of things. If you could represent it in a shorthand notation that represents the same thing, you would. And this is called either sigma notation or summation notation. The sigma is because this is the Greek letter, capital letter, sigma, which we don't, you could be as fine as you want about how you draw this. You're going to see, I'm not usually so fine about it. I'm just going to do a quick kind of something to approximate. Yes. 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 Carrie, you need to go to the clinic. Okay, so this notation, it's either sigma notation or summation notation. I think Algebra 2, they really said summation. And here it's sigma. It's more sigma than summation. But it's this Greek letter. Underneath the symbol, it's got an index. In this case, it's I. And I equals what's called the lower limit of the summation, right? And on top of the symbol, it's the upper limit. In front of the symbol, it's the formula. It's the explicit formula for the sequence that you're going to be adding up. You could call it the ith term now instead of the nth term because it actually has an I in it and not an n. We'll call this the ith term in the sequence. And basically the way we use it is we are going to plug in I equals 1 to this formula. That'll give us a term, A1. And then we'll increment the index by 1. So now it's I equals 2. And we'll substitute in the formula, and we'll get the next term, A2. And we'll keep going, A3, A4, A5, all the way up until we get to this number on the top. And that will be the last term in the series, right? That's called the upper limit.